In this video, we will be learning how to log out of your Uno application on your mobile device. To log out of your Uno app, first of all, launch the Uno app open on your mobile device. Now, go ahead and tap on the gear button or the settings icon at the bottom left-hand corner from the home page. Once you do that, click on the Account Center option at the bottom right and click on Switch Account on the left-hand side menu. In the pop-up, click on OK and you will then be able to log out of your application and you will return to your login screen for Uno. This is how you log out of your Uno mobile application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.